Hey, I know it's been like ages since I've ever really made a short. Yeah. It's been like forever. The last time I made one was, I think, like 2 months ago. But I think I'll start posting like daily ones. I don't know. I have that random cough. Comment down below if you know why I keep coughing. Like wherever I go, like at school, I'll like at stage crew for my musical. It's called Sioux School the Musical Junior. I cough every single day I go. Okay, bye. Comment down below.